Okay, I'm Kenzie here in Cabot Hall of Cabot House, floor 4, room 420, entrance E. Here is my sophomore room tour. So you walk right in, and then this is a hallway single. All the buildings here are hallway singles. Here's my closet. It's very big. I'm not sure if you can even see how deep it goes, but it goes way back. It goes way, way back. And then I have little lights in there. And then I installed some hooks, and then it's great. Now here is my main room area. So this is my bed. I have a little carpet here, nightstand, and then over here, I think I'm gonna put my fridge here once it comes, but it's not here yet. And then I just have a trash can, some stuff. My desk, they came with a hutch this year, which is actually really nice. So I'm enjoying that. Then over here is my prized window. It's amazing. It's a very big window. I have a nice tree outside of it. And then what we did is we did some curtains this year by buying curtain rod and command hooking it up there and then tying them on the side with a mini command hook. So this, I feel like, really ties it all together. And then over here, I have my plant, my Murin poster, which is so amazing. And then I have my couch. Oh, one of my things fell down from up here. But I have my couch and my carpet, and it's great. I love it so much. So spacious. I'm happy with my decorations. I need to hang up a couple more things on the walls, and then that'll be it.